So here I sit in my truck, pissed off as all pissed off can be. The reason why is this. I have no window anymore. You know why I don't have a window anymore? Because that. And that. I put up Trump signs. And now I don't have a window. And to get this fucking window replaced through Safelite, it is $290 just for the window. And I don't have glass coverage on my insurance. But now I'm out of window, all because I support Trump. Fucked up. I mean, no more window. And as you can see, window.